Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you live trader. You can see here now I am opening our application. Okay, this is the application we are opening, and you can see here it is getting loaded, and I am recording this video on 1st of April. Okay, you can see the time here, it's almost 10 o'clock. So it is getting loaded. See here, exactly now the time is 10 o'clock. And I am recording this video. It is in live market. Okay, the Excel is getting loaded. WebSocket is connected, Excel is getting loaded, and in background you can see, and here is the performance. Okay, you can see this last performance trades, and it is getting subsided with all the instruments. Today will particularly trade only in options. Okay, Nifty and Banknifty options will place a algo trader, and will show you how with the help of Excel you can do the auto trader. Okay, these are the data it is getting fetched, Nifty, Bank Nifty. So let's see how it will work for today. And after this new strategy, this is the first time I am recording this video on the live only. So let's see how it will perform. It is getting loaded all the data. Once the historical data is loaded, our calculations and our entry levels, targets, everything will be calculated automatically. See here, you can see options. It is showing us some few stocks trades has been displayed here. So what we have to do is now we have to go for Excel now. Okay, I think this is the perfect data loaded without any errors. Okay, this is the Excel. Here you can see all the data. You can see all the levels are generated here. This is the different strategies which we have implementing. What I'll do is for now I will change the strategy number. Okay, I will change everything to 4th strategy. In next videos I will be explaining how the strategies, different strategies will work. For now I will change it to everything to 4. Okay, you can see all the levels is been changed here. Okay, now I will, you can see all this buying and selling levels here. First I have to copy and start. Click on start. Here X column, I'll copy this start and I'll just paste it over everywhere. Okay, now we have implemented only in options. I have not implemented in futures, only in options with single lot I have added here. Okay, and I'll be showing you how it will be placed in a broker terminal also. You can see all the put options buying. So we'll on it now. This is on. Now I have to change the data. Now it is been April. So 4 and 01 today's data, and just as soon as I enter the tab, you can see in the market watcher here, you can see it is getting executed. You can see here earlier it was showing starter, now it is showing executor. We'll see how it will place in order in live trade. And this is the analyzer tool. Okay, analysis tool. Okay, this is a today's trader. I'll select the today's trade. See here, today there is no trader, adjust trader. So you can see no trades matching to the current filter date. Okay, so now it is placing the order. You can see here immediately it is placed the order. See here, this is the console terminal. This is the logs here. It will show you all the trades whatever executing. Okay, orders is getting continuously placing the orders. Okay, market orders is been placed. If the margin is not up, I mean if the orders is getting rejected, it will convert into automatically paper trader. So I will open the broker terminal. I'll just load it and I click on orders now. You can see executed. You can see 10 o'clock 3 minutes. These are the orders executed. As soon as our levels generated, these are all orders executed. Okay, here you can see it is all showing that waiting, stop loss and target. You can see waiting, stop loss or target. It is executed. So all put options buy is executed today. So we'll wait for some time. Okay, and same orders will be showing in the trade analysis tool also. I'll show you that. You can see here this is the orders getting placed. Okay, and some trades is been closed. You can see some trades is getting closed. Okay, You can see entry and exit price. We'll check it in our, you can see, 1 second. I'll just refresh this page now again. It is getting not loaded in the broker terminal. Just refresh it. You can see here, no, actually this is the stop loss is hit. Okay, April contract, Bank Nifty, one stop loss, I mean trailing stop loss was hit actually. So small profit it is executed. You can see here, it's small profit, it is been executed. Okay, these are all formulas we have already kept. So what I'll do is, I'll try to modify the trailing stop loss. Now what I have done is, the difference between these entry points divided by 2, I'll make it 1. Okay, I'll just try to increase the trailing stop loss. Okay, now I have increased the trailing stop loss. After increasing this, we need to modify it. Where is that column? This is the P&L. Here you can see in EAA column, here what I'll type is just modify, copy, and I'll just paste it. Which and all trade is not waiting for stop loss and target, those orders will get modified. Okay, this is the one which is already stop loss is hit. Remaining, it will keep modifying the stop loss. You can see in this window. Okay, here the profit it is showing one trade is already, one more trade is happened now. It will refresh in 5 seconds. Okay, one is 26 rupees just booked trailing stop loss. So you can see here 742 rupees, 733 rupees, both single lot. Stop target is been hit. First target is hit, so executed. So Bank Nifty, it has hit all the 3 targets, I mean 3 different options, and remaining whatever is open, you can see here it is getting modified. Trailing stop loss is getting modified. I think Bank Nifty's targets is been hit, so it is showing as invalid. And for Bank Nifty, you can see here modified, stop loss is getting modified. Okay, this is how it will work. You can see here, and also you can see the messages, telegram alerts, this message is coming. Okay, so here you can see it is getting modified, and this is the success ratio. Till now 2295 rupees what we have booked a profit, and this is the chart. Okay, this is the analysis chart, and this is the detailed analysis of the trades. Okay, what is the winning ratio? 100% winning ratio, because it is all hitting the target. It is showing as 100% winning ratio. Okay, you can see, instead of like buying target hit is almost 2209 rupees, and buy target stop loss hit, that is trailing stop loss, it has booked the profit 26 rupees. So one trade we made very small profit, remaining trades it was all good result. Okay, till now we have booked 2295 rupees, and you can see the time, it is 10 o'clock 12 minutes. Within 10-12 minutes we have booked around 2295 rupees, and the two with a safe entry exit. Okay, that too we have exited at the trailing stop loss. Okay, and if you want, you can change the targets also. Instead of, now what we have set is automatically first target book profit. If you want, you can change it to second target also. You can change the exit condition at second target, so that you will be exiting a target on second. And we have on the trailing stop loss. This beauty of trailing stop loss is almost you will end up either with a small profit or with a big profit, but the chances of losing the trade is very less. Okay, now what we have done is, we have booked the profits in Bank Nifty, and we are waiting for the Nifty trade. Anyways, we entered, and I have modified the trailing stop loss. Instead of taking half like risk divided by 2, what I shown you the calculation, those things I will explain once you buy our software. We will give you training. At that moment we will explain how we can modify the trailing stop loss, and we can book the partial trades. Okay, so here you can see winning ratio, trade history. Okay, this is the chart, how it is gone. Okay, so 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees, how it has been crossed for today. Okay, So this is a small graph, and this is the basic things. Okay, I'll just continue. I will not modify or I will not pause the video. We'll show you this broker terminal. I'll refresh this broker terminal orders. Let me see. You can see here all buy and sell happened. Only in Bank Nifty you can see all Bank Nifty trades is even happened, buy and sell. Our Nifty put options, still we are waiting for the trailing stop loss and target. So we'll see what will the movement. Now anyways 55 points down, and you can see all the orders is been modified. You can see here modified. Okay, we'll wait for some more time. We'll see what will happen. Either trailing stop loss or it will hit that first target. You can see you have set a trailing stop loss, and this is the entry points. You can see Nifty. Okay, I'll just try to open a chart here. This is the put option chart. It is getting loaded. My system is actually becoming very slow. Need to upgrade it. Okay, so here this is the basic system what I am using. Okay, you can see here this is the levels. Here we had a buy levels and it is coming down. Let's see whether it will be hitting the target or it will be hitting the trailing stop loss. We'll wait for some more time. You can see here no 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock you can see the candle, third candle. Okay, from here at least it has to go up. We'll see, hope for the best. Okay, and whatever trades are being executed, you can set it in Telegram alert also, so that whenever you are traveling or you are in office, you can check it out your Telegram alerts. In Telegram alerts you will be getting all the trade details, whether the target is been hit, stop loss was hit, or trailing stop loss is getting modified. Everything you will be getting the detail in the Telegram. You can see here, this is how it will work. This is the beautiful tool what you can do for your analysis. Here we have option to change the date wise. Okay, whatever data is stored in our system, local system, you can change it to live trade. You can see here trade mode, paper trade or live trade, and also you can see the performance accordingly, direction, buy trade or sell trade, like this. Okay, and even the instrument you can filter it out what is the performance. Okay, I have selected everything as all. Okay, and here you can see history, days history, and this is the win rate ratio. For now we have booked this one, and still we have a open position Nifty trader. We'll see how it will work. And these are all like safe trader. Trailing stop loss we are using it. That is the reason we are here in this stock. You can see only 26 rupees we have booked. Okay, now it is going up. Let's see market. This is the Nifty chart. So Nifty has to come down actually. We'll see. Still there is no trade. You can see put option trade is been happened. So put option exit trade is not been happened yet. Once it is executed, it will show both entry and exit. You can see now it is showing only entry and exit for the target or stop loss. Stop loss, even though stop loss means profit, that means we are use the trailing stop loss. Okay, target means obviously it is the target. So you can see now, wow, Nifty also target hit. You can see the position is closed because of target hit. The other option is also target hit. You can see buying and selling level, entry point and exit point. It will be showing you here. You can see the everything, it is getting loaded here. So 660, 830. Okay, you can see chart. Now again it will be refreshing. Summary, you can see what is it. 5,779 rupees profit booked. Okay, detailed analysis you can check it there. You can see almost completed. Here you can see everything is completed. So I hope you got idea. You can see 100% accuracy, winning ratio. Okay, this is the trade history. I just filter it out of P&L. Okay, I'll just click here. You can see 918, 830, 793, 740, 733, 660, 26 rupees, 1072 rupees, like this. We went one. Okay, 1072 rupees in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Everything you will be getting the data. Okay, with the timestamp you can check it out. You can just cross check with this timestamp, and here also same thing you will be getting in this console. Everything is timestamp with entry and exit. Same thing you can check it in the order broker order also. Earlier it was showing only Nifty, Bank Nifty sell orders. We'll try to refresh it. Here orders. It is getting very slow. Hope you got an idea how in live market also how it will work. So now the time is 10:25. So within a span of just half an hour, 20-25 minutes, we have entered and exited with a profit. It is not like whole day we are sitting in front of. You see here, you can see Nifty options also, buy sell entries are available here now. Okay, this is how it will work. Bank Nifty also buy sell executed. Nifty also buy sell executed. Okay, because we don't have sufficient margin, the orders is getting rejected. If I have margin, the order will pass. I hope you got this video, like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.